Meow, hi there, human. I'm just a regular cat. I eat, I nap, I scratch the couch, then I stare into space like a tiny philosopher. You think I don't get life? Think again. I've been quietly pondering all the great questions while sitting on your laptop. What's the meaning of life? Comfort, I guess. Just like how I always nap in the one spot where the sunbeam hits the rug just right. You humans keep chasing things, but isn't it all just so you can finally lie down, peacefully? Does hard work pay off? Yes, of course. I meow passionately every day at 6 a.m. and guess what? You get up and feed me. That's alright, baby. But sometimes, it doesn't work. Like when I stare intensely at the fridge, and it still won't open. Rude. Do you ever feel lonely? Well, sometimes. But I enjoy my solitude. See, freedom and loneliness are twins. You pick one, the other comes along, meow. What are you most afraid of? Vacuum cleaner. Also, that suspicious smile you give me when you say, "Let's go visit the vet." I see through your lies, human. I see. So here's my advice. Don't hustle too hard. Not every train is your train. If life gives you a sunny spot, just nap. If your fur's messy, lick it clean and move on. Look at me, flat on the floor, belly up, zero plans. Still totally fabulous.